This is a variation of my last video called Rack a Green Chip, but I'm going to start with 130 across. Hey everyone, it's Mike. Welcome back to my channel. So on my last video, I played a strategy called Rack the Green Chips and expand from the inside out or press from the inside out. Basically what we were doing was we were starting off with a $30 place bet on the 6 and 8. And if one of those hit, it won 35. We racked the green chip, which is 25. And then we took the $10 and placed it on the 5 or the 9. And we were trying to get to a point where we could get all the box numbers with place bets so that if they hit, they would win $25. The problem with that is I kept running into quick rolls, quick 7 outs, and I never got really set up the way I wanted to. So on our video today, I'm just going to play Rack the Green Chips, but when I get my point established, I'm just going to go ahead and place all the bets I need so that I can win a green chip on every hit of the box number. And what I mean is I'm going to put, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 30 on the 6 and 8. I'm going to put 20 on the 5 and the 9. And I'm going to put 15 on the 4 and the 10. That's what I'm going to start off with as soon as I get a point. That's 130. So you could call this 130 across, but you may have to explain to the dealer what you mean by that and tell him how you want to set it up, or play at a bubble craps machine where you can set it up yourself. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. What I can do here is just take everything down and I can go ahead and roll for a point. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Okay, the point's going to be a 10. Puck moves to the 10. Let's go ahead and get set up. I'm going to put 30 on the 6 and 8. I'm going to put 20 on the 5 and 9, 15 on the 4 and the 10. Okay, so we've got 130 in bets. We're going to probably need to do we're going to collect the green chip, but we're probably going to collect everything on the first roll. And then on the second roll, we'll collect the green chip and then press up. Okay, so there's a 6. So there's a $35 win. We would collect that green chip, but since this is our first roll, we're going to do a collect then press. We're going to collect everything. Let's go ahead and roll. There's the 4. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect that. I'll collect the green chip. That leaves me with $2. But now with my winnings, I'm going to start expanding out. I'm going to start with the 9. And let's go ahead and press the 5 and 9 to 30. Okay, let's get to where we want to, let's get to 30 across as quickly as we can. Okay, next roll we're going to collect. That's a 9. That wins 42. We'll collect that. Okay, next roll we'll collect our green chip. Oh, that's a 7 out. We lost 150. So that's shooter 1. We rolled 5 times. We're not going to get this a very successful outcome of the strategy if we're only rolling 5 times. So let's get another shooter and let's try for a longer roll. There's a 7 on the come out, doesn't hurt us. There's a 5. So let's go ahead and get set up. Let's put 30 on the 6 and 8, 20 on the 5 and 9, 15 on the 4 and 10. Okay, our first hit, we'll rack the green chip, but we'll collect everything. There's the 5. We racked the green chip, but we're going to go ahead and collect all 28. That is the point. The puck is off. We need another point. Let's go ahead and establish the point. It's going to be a 10. Our next hit, we will go ahead and rack the green chip, but we'll go ahead and press. So there's the 5. We'll rack 25 of it. And with these winnings, we'll go ahead and press the 5 to 30 and the 9 to 30. Okay, let's go ahead and roll. There's an 11, no help. Another 11, no help. There's a 4. That wins 27. We'll rack the green chip. And in this case, we'll rack everything because we pressed last time. So let's go ahead and just rack everything. Let's roll. The next win, we will press the 4 and the 10. There's a 12. No help. There's a 6. There's a $35 win. And if we rack 25 of it, that leaves 10. but we do have some winnings here on the 4. So let's go ahead and get the 4 and the 10 pressed up to 30. Okay, so this is kind of our ultimate where we want to go. Let's see if we can't continue a hot shooter here. There's a 6 that wins 35. We'll rack the green chip, and in this case, we'll rack everything. There's a 2, no help. There's the 9, that wins 42. So we can rack the green chip. Um, let's think about what we want to do here. Do we want to go more than 30 across, or do we want to go ahead and lock in some of these winnings? We're at $180 in bets, and we've got $195 in winnings. So we are technically out of the hand, even though we lost that first shooter that lost us some. So let's go ahead and collect this and try to lock in some of the profits. There's a 5. It's another $42 winner. If we do want to go ahead and press, we would want to start on the 6 and 8. So let's take the 6 and the 8 up. Let's take them up 2 units or $12. 42 on each, 6 and 8. Let's go ahead and roll. Let's collect. There's the point. That's the 10. That wins us $54. The puck is off. Let's go ahead and get a new point. Same shooter. It's a 10. Puck moves back to the 10. We pressed the 6 and 8 last time, so let's collect our next hit. It's the 9. It wins 42. Let's go ahead and collect that. And there's the 6. $42 on the 6 wins 49. Let's go ahead and press. Now we're going to move to the 5 and to the 9. Let's go ahead and take both of those up to 40. Okay. So we still have $224 in bets, and we have $382 for this shooter. So we're out of the hand for this shooter. Let's go ahead and keep rolling. 7 out. Not bad. Not bad. We did get out of the hole. That is shooter 2, rolled 19 times. Not bad. Let's go ahead and get shooter 3. Let's get a come out roll. There's a 3. That's not going to help us. There's a 4. Puck moves to the 4. Let's go ahead and get set up. 30 on the 6 and 8. 20 on the 5 and 9. 15 on the 4 and 10. Okay? First hit, we'll rack our 25. We'll rack everything. But we'll definitely rack the green chip. There's a 2. There's an 11. That's no help. There's the 5. It wins 28. That's a green chip. We'll rack the green chip, and we'll rack the extra $3 also. Next hit, we will go ahead and get the 5 and the 9 pressed up to 30. And that is the 9. It wins 28. Enough to rack a green chip, but let's go ahead and press the 5 and the 9 up to 30. Let's go ahead and roll. There's the 6. That's a $35 win. We will rack that. We'll rack the green chip and the extra $10. Let's go ahead and roll. Next roll, we'll get the 4 and the 10 up to 30. It's a 9. That wins 42. Let's go ahead and get the 4 and the 10 up to 30. The next hit we're going to collect. 7 out. Almost there. That shooter rolled 9 times and we ended up losing $47. We were almost out of the hand. So let's go ahead and get shooter 4. Come out roll is a 4. Puck moves to the 4. Let's go ahead and get the 6 and the 8 placed with 30. 5 and 9 pressed to 20 or placed to 20. 4 and 10 place bets to 15. There's a 6. That's a $35 win. We'll rack the green chip and we'll rack the additional 10. Let's go ahead and roll. There's the 4. That wins 27. That's the point. The puck is off. Let's go ahead and roll for a new point. It's a 6. But now let's take that winnings and let's go ahead and press our 5 and our 9 up to 30. Okay? There's a 10. That's a $27 win. We'll collect we'll rack the green chip and collect the other $2. 7 out. Only 6 rolls. Lost us $61. Let's go to our next shooter, shooter 5. Let's do a come out roll. There's a 3. There's the 6. Okay, puck moves to the 6. Let's go ahead and get set up. We need that long shooter. And 15 on the 4 and the 10. 130 across. First hit we will collect. It's a 6. That's the point. It wins $35. We collect the green chip and we'll collect the additional 10. The puck is off. Let's roll for a point. The puck is back on the 6. Next hit, we will press the 5 and 9. There's the 5. It wins 28. Let's go ahead and press the 5 and the 9 to 30 each. Next roll, next hit, we're going to collect. It's a 12. There's a 10. That wins 27. Let's collect it. We collect a green chip and an extra $2. There's the 9. That wins 42. Let's go ahead and collect the green chip. And then with the remaining wins, let's go ahead and press the 4 up to 30 and the 10 up to 30. Okay, now we're where we were at. We're where we want to be. Let's go ahead and collect. There's an 8. That's a $35 winner. Let's collect it. There's a 5. That's a $42 win. I think I will press the 6 and 8 2 units to 42 each. Next hit, let's collect. It's an 8. That wins 49. Let's collect it. Next roll is a 3, no help. And next roll is a 6. That's the point. The puck is off. That wins us $49. Let's collect that. We need to get a point. Same shooter. Moves to the 5. So are we pressing here or are we collecting? I kind of lost track, but when in doubt, I'm going to collect. So our next hit will press. Next hit will press the 5 and the 9 up to 40. There's an 8. That wins us 49. Let's go ahead and press the 5 to 40 and the 9 to 40. Okay, next hit we're going to collect. There's the 10. That wins 54. We'll collect that. We're at 17 rolls. This is turning into a good shooter. Hope I didn't just jinx ourselves. Let's roll. There's the 5. That wins 56. The puck is off. So let's go ahead and roll for a point. There's an 11. There's 6. Puck moves to the 6. So I think I'm going to just collect that. Next hit, I'm going to get the 4 and the 10 pressed up to 40. And it's a 4. That wins us $54. Let's go ahead and press the 4 and the 10 up to 40. So now we're at the next level up. We'll collect. It's an 11, no help. There's a 4. That wins us 72. We'll collect that. Our next hit, we're going to start pressing from the inside out. Probably another 2 units. Let's go ahead and roll. There's the 8. That's a $49 win. Let's press the 6 and 8 up 2 more units. I don't want to get greedy. I'm debating. Do I want to go ahead and press these up to 60? I think let's just leave it at 2 units. I'm a little conservative. Our next hit we're going to collect. It's the 10 that wins 72. I'm thinking I was going to press them up 3 units because our hits now are winning a lot more. So I'm going to collect. We'll go ahead and stay with pressing 2 units. Okay? So we'll collect that 72. Next hit we'll press. It's a 3, no help. A 12, no help. There's the 8. That's a $63 win. Let's go ahead and press the 5 and the 9 up 2 units. Next hit we're going to collect. There's a 2. There's a 6. We're going to collect that. That's the puck, or that's the point. The puck is off. We collected that. Let's go ahead and roll for a point. The point is right back on the 6. Let's go ahead and roll. The next hit, we'll take the 4 and the 10 up to 50. Here's a 12. There's a 9. That wins 70. 4 and 10 goes to 50. The next hit we're going to collect. There's a 5. That wins 70. We're going to collect that. Now, let's take a break here. We have $308 in bets, and this shooter has rolled 34 times and has won us $979. Okay? I don't believe in superstition. I don't want to jinx myself, but what I'm going to do is I am going to take these bets down and I'm going to reestablish my $30 on the 6 and 8, my $20 on the 5 and 9, and my $15 on the 4 and 10 for 130, and I'm going to lock in some of those profits. And I'm just going to roll for a couple more times here. I think we've kind of got the strategy kind of down. Okay, let's go ahead and roll. There's a 4 that wins 27. The next hit we will press our 5 and 9. There's the 6. The puck is off. Let's go ahead and roll for a point. Point is an 8. We're going to press the 5 and the 9 up to 30. Next hit we're going to collect. And there's a 4. Wins 27. We're going to collect. Next hit we're going to press. There's the 9. Wins 42. Press the 4 to 30. And the 10 to 40. To 30, I mean. And the next hit we're going to collect. And there's a 6. So we found a long shooter. I can keep playing until we hit that 7 and keep pressing double 2 units until I get up to 60 maybe on the 6 and 8, or I hit the 7. So let's go ahead and roll. I think I'm going to go ahead and collect again. Just lock in some of this. There's an 8. I'm going to lock it in. The puck is off. Let's roll for a point. Point goes back to the 6. The next hit, I'm going to start pressing the 6 and 8 up 2 units. There's the 5. That wins 42. So let's press the 6 to 42 and the 8 to 42. Next hit, we're going to collect. There's the 5. It wins 42. We'll collect it. The next roll is a 6. That's the point. The puck is off. We win 49. We're going to press. So let's get a point first. The point's an 8. We're now going to press the 5 and 9 to 40. Okay. And there's a 4. That wins 54. We're going to collect that. There's the 10. That wins 54. Let's get the 4 and the 10 pressed to 40. Let's collect the next one. It's a 5. We're going to collect $56. 12, no help. And there's our 7 out. Okay. That's what we're looking for. 51 rolls. 51 rolls from that shooter. Okay. And after you finally find a shooter that rolls a lot, you determine collect and press 2 units, collect and press whatever you want, So from the inside out, collect, then press 2 units, start on the 6 and 8, then the 5 and 9, and the 4 and 10. So that's going to do it. Sorry, that's a long roll, but I'm not going to complain. That is 51 rolls from one shooter. That's good. That's what we want. Okay, so that's my variation of the collect a green chip. We're just going to start out at 130 across and not try to start out with just 60 on the 30 on the 6 and 8 for 60 and then try to build ourselves up to 130 across. Let's just start at 130 across. Okay, so that's going to do it for today. Hope everyone's having a great day. And as always, thanks for watching.